everyone. We're in the gardens, in the walkway of the entrance to the St. Pete Pier in downtown St. Petersburg. And the gardens here seems to be full of parrots. I have never seen so many wild parrots congregated in one place in my life. This is just amazing. There's hundreds of them. They're just free roaming, free flying. They're not caged up here. They're just here. A few minutes ago, they got spooked and all went flying. And they just filled the skies. There was hundreds of them. They're in the trees all around us. Absolutely amazing. So if you come down to the St. Pete Pier, walk through the gardens and look for the parrots.